What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the ClearCryptos educational channel. My name is T. Hobbs from the Crypto Shop. And of course, I got my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's good, everybody?
Listen up, guys. Another information bomb has dropped about Binance. And again, I can't say enough at how pleased I am about Binance going through the FTX FUD and now putting their heads down in the dirt and still showing people that they have the funds to continue moving forward. This is yet another situation or example of them expanding their business. This article covers their acquisition of bankrupt firm Voyager Digital. Justin, take us away.
All right, let's get into how Binance is playing Captain Save a Firm with Voyager Digital. So back in July, crypto broker Voyager Digital filed for bankruptcy, citing the market conditions. Where have we heard that one before? An array of firms lined up to save Voyager from insolvency, and FTX was the top contender. However, Binance's U.S. wing managed to garner the court's approval for the same. Earlier today, Bloomberg brought light to Voyager will be selling its crypto firm platform to Binance US for $20 million. However, this is an initial approval that comes from the bankruptcy judge. The deal will need the green signal of creditors as well as the final court approval. Before a U.S. bankruptcy judge, Michael E. Wiles, completely accepts the associated bankruptcy liquidation plan, the deal cannot be finalized. According to the terms of the agreement, Binance will assume ownership of the assets that Voyager is holding on behalf of its clients, which amounts to $1 billion. Following this, account holders will have the opportunity to withdraw their funds. Voyager lawyer Christine A. I don't know how to pronounce that one, further went on to highlight the importance of customers in this case. The lawyer said that customers will entail the right to vote on the Binance deal over the next couple weeks. Voyager's deal with Binance attracted a lot of naysayers. The list includes the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Of course, they got to get into everything. The Department of Justice, along with the financial authorities from New York, Texas, and Vermont. The whole alphabet squad came out to voice their displeasure. So despite being heavily scrutinized, FTX's Alameda Research also condemned this deal. Why they even speak, I don't know.
Right.
Voyager simply moved on, labeling the objections hypocrisy and chutzpah. This story
sounds like BS.
Right? Based on speculation that are unverified. While dismissed the concerns put forth by aforementioned entities, the bankruptcy judge said that he will approve the final order after making a few minor wording adjustments. This will enable Voyager to sign a contract with Binance and submit to creditors a summary of agreement and liquidation plan for a vote. Additionally, Voyager has 1.2 million customers and $1 billion in assets sitting on its crypto platform. This will remain as it is until the bankruptcy case reaches a conclusion. So all I'll say to this, the only 2 cents I'll add is that as long as this goes through, there's going to be a lot of customers in Voyager Digital that will be happy because their assets will be unlocked. They'll be able to finally have control of them yet again, which is a really good thing for those customers. So Hobbs, what you got?
All I can say is Binance is absolutely killing the game. This is equivalent to getting a house on auction. They are receiving $1 billion in assets for the total cost of $20 million. This is an absolute steal for Binance if they can get this deal to go through. You cannot underestimate how much value this will add to Binance, because not only are they getting those assets for an absolute steal of a price, less than 1% or 2% of the total value, right? Those assets are most likely cryptocurrencies that will go up in value. So they're currently worth 1 billion at the bottom of the market, basically. Who knows what they'll be if these assets, which I'm sure include words like Bitcoin and Ethereum, who knows what they'll be worth once the market continues to go up. And Binance is going to hold those assets until they continue to go up. So great job by Binance capitalizing on the unfortunate collapse of Voyager. And I feel like those assets will be in better hands sitting on Binance's lap than Voyager. So, but yeah. I mean, so those are my thoughts, guys. You guys let me know what you think in the comments down below. Let us know how Justin and I are doing, the ClearCryptos educational channel. Check out all the videos that we have. Make sure you hit the like button. But My name is T. Hobbs from the Crypto Shop. That man above is Jay Seals. And we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.
Chitspa.
Chitspa.